Hello there, this is James, your Technical Manager, and today is Monday, December 12th, 2016, and in this video I'll be discussing the Capsule integration with PandaDoc. So what does this integration do? This integration will allow you to create, send, and track quotes, proposals, and contracts within Capsule. You'll be able to start the document creation process from within opportunities, contacts, organization, and case objects with Capsule. Opportunity records with all of your custom fields and contact information will flow into your document seamlessly. So before we get started, you need to make sure that you have a PandaDoc account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for one right here, and that you've installed the PandaDoc Chrome extension for Capsule. So let's go ahead and do that now. All we need to do is we click on this when it takes us to the Google Chrome store. We click on this Add to Chrome, and we click on Add to Extension. We give it a few seconds here to go through and gets it installed. Then up here on the right hand side, it will let you know it has been successfully installed. You can access the PandaDoc and Capsule at any time. So let's go back to the FAQ. Next thing we do is go in case gain access to our Capsule account. So let's go ahead and log in to do this. And I'm going to do a refresh on my screen real quickly here to refresh this. Now first of all, over here on the left hand side, let's go into people and organizations. As I mentioned, we can start this from a contact record. So here we have a contact record, and over here on the right hand side, you notice that the PandaDoc module will show up. We can also go into an organization record. So let me go and do this real quickly. Here's an organization inside of a Capsule. Over here on the right hand side, of course, is the module. We can also open up opportunities. So let's go into the sales pipeline and then list, and then open up this opportunity name. So here's an example opportunity instead of Capsule, and of course over here on the right hand side where you can start your creation of PandaDoc documents. And then finally, brand new, we also have the ability to do this from the case object. So here we have an example case inside of a Capsule, and once again over here on the right hand side the PandaDoc module will load to start that document creation process. So let's go back to the FAQ now. So now what we need to do is we need to talk about how we can pass information from the Capsule to PandaDoc. And we do have multiple different things we could do this. First is we have something here called PandaDoc roles. Now PandaDoc roles are associated with templates. So with the use of PandaDoc roles, we can import the Capsule deal and case object contact information. The following information: first name, last name, email address, and company. So we do that by going into a PandaDoc template. So here we are inside of a template. I'm going to scroll down, and then over here on the right hand side we go into a section here called roles. And once we do that, we creation of a role. So you notice I have a role here called decision maker, and what this does for us is that if we go into content and we click on tokens, we do have 4 tokens: first name, last name, email address, and company, that we could use an example right here to pass over the contact information from that individual opportunity or case. We can also send over other fields from a Capsule to PandaDoc by using token values. For example, we have a token here for the opportunity name that we can send this information from Capsule to PandaDoc. Now we have multiple different ways to find out the token values. First, you can go into the FAQ, and we can scroll down here a little bit, and we notice we have a section right here, example list of tokens. So you can copy and paste these. We copy right here and paste these back straight into your PandaDoc templates. Or if you wanted to, you can go inside of your Capsule account. So let me go and do this real quickly. Over here on the right hand side, as part of this, let's open up an opportunity. So excuse me while I do this real quickly. And open up this opportunity, and over here on the right hand side, here's the PandaDoc module. And then all that we need to do is we click on the green gear icon, tokens, we scroll down, and here's example all the same individual token values that we could use. All we need to do simply is highlight that individual token, copy, and of course drop it into our PandaDoc template to have that information being populated over. So let's go and give this an example real quickly here. So once again, I'm inside this opportunity, and we have a contact here by the name of Betty Panda, and we're going to pass over some opportunity information into our PandaDoc template. So to do this process, all we need to do is click on Create New Document. We go ahead and PandaDoc will fire up here. We go ahead and choose the template that we want to use today. First thing I was going to ask is about is the scientist for the role information. So we have a decision maker role, and all we need to do is associate a contact. So this contact now is associated with the decision maker. All we need to do now is click on Start Editing, and in turn, we are now have a document. As we scroll down, you notice some information being populated, included all of our role or contact information has been populated here. All of our opportunity information has been populated, and of course our organization information as well. Now, if we started from a contact object from Capsule, this information would be populated, or from a case object, this would be populated right down here. So all that we need to do now is send out this document, say it looks really good, is click on send. First message that comes up is a document name. We can go ahead and put whatever we want that we have in here. We click on save and continue. Next is the send document message window that pops up here. We can type an additional message, or we can use an existing saved message that we have in the past. We click on send document, and now the document has been sent out to your recipient. It's that simple, that easy. But what's great about this is that if we close this out and go back into Capsule, now inside of this individual object record over here on the right hand side as part of our PandaDoc module, we now have this individual document that we just sent out, and we could use this and track this and open this document just in case we ever need to look at that document again. So once again, this is the Capsule integration with PandaDoc. It's a fantastic integration to get you going to send over your field information, contact information, organization, opportunity, and case object information from Capsule to PandaDoc. And as always, if you do have additional questions, concerns, please reach out to us and we'll do our best to take care of you. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.